Welcome to our channel Knowledge Point. Knowledge Point is a digital platform for every student. Presentations prepared by experienced teachers. Animated presentations makes topic easy to understand. Concept-based learning model. Mental maths to help practice calculation skills. So, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get notifications of our all new videos. Today's learning objectives are Roman numbers, forming Roman number from Hindu-Arabic numbers, forming Hindu-Arabic numbers from Roman numbers, Roman number table, practice. Roman numbers. See this clock image. These are different numbering, not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has numbers like I, IV, V and so on. These are Roman numbers. You can see the numbers used as I, IV and so on. This was a common way of writing numbers during the ancient Roman period. Basic numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Important note is that Roman number system does not have zero. There is no place value or commas used in Roman system of numeration. Conversion between Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numbers. We use for writing Roman numbers 7 basic symbols and each symbol has a value. So here we will see the value chart of Hindu-Arabic numbers. I we are using for that value is 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. If a smaller number is written to the left of bigger number, then it has to be subtracted from the bigger number. Like here, IV. V is a bigger number and to the left of that I, a smaller value number is written. So, value becomes 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Same way X has a value 10. Before that, if to the left of that we wrote I, means a smaller value alphabet is there, then we have to subtract the value of that alphabet. Like X has a value 10 and I has a value 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If a symbol is repeated, then its value is added as many times it occurs. Like I. Value of I is 1. 3 times it is repeated. So we can write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X, value of X is 10 here and it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, we can write it as 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. However, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. We cannot write like I 4 times. How to write 4 that we have studied in first example. So we cannot write like this 4. This is very important. Any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. This is very important rule. Now let's move. If a smaller number is written to the right of a bigger number, then it has to be added to the bigger number. For example, VI. Now I is to the right hand side, so value should be added. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Symbol of smaller values. if I is written to the left of the number, then the value should be subtracted. If I is written to the right of the number, then value should be added. Now here we will see some examples like IV. So I is to the left and therefore value should be subtracted. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX. I is to the left of x and therefore value should be subtracted. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now if suppose I we have written to the right of the number, then value should be added. Like here VI. So I is right to the right of and therefore value should be added, like 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 or 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. The symbol V is never written to the left of bigger number. For example, if we try to write Vx, then 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. But this is a wrong statement because for 5 we are writing V. So we cannot write like this way. Now we will see some bigger number how we write it. If I is written to the right of x, then value should be added, like 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. XV. Now smaller value V is to the right, so value should be added, like 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. XVI. 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. Numbers should be expanded using basic symbol of Roman numerals. For example, 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. Now for 10 we are using the symbol X, plus for 4 we are using the symbol IV. So all together XIV. 19 can be splitted as 10 plus 9. For 10 we are using the symbol X, plus for 9 we are using the symbol IX. So all together it's combined as XIX. 37. 37 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. So here for 10 we are using the symbol X. So we can write it as X plus X plus X, plus for 7 we are using VII. So all together after combining it can be written as XXX VII. Forming Hindu-Arabic number from Roman numbers. Here Roman number is given and we have to write for that Hindu-Arabic number. For example, XXI. So it can be splitted as X plus I. Now value of X is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 21. Or the next example is XXXIV. So it can be splitted as X plus X plus X plus IV. Or for X we are considering the value as 10 and IV means 4. So it can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 34. Now XVI. X means 10 and V means 5 and I means 1. So all this if we are adding together we are getting answer as 16. XX III. So X plus I plus I plus I, that is 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 23. Now here on your screen you can see the Roman number written from 1 to 40. Here very important thing is that Roman number 1 to 10 once you are able to write, then just simply when you have to write 11 you can write it as 10 plus 1. So it will be X and after that we are using the symbol I. So if we want to write 12 then 10 plus 2. So 2 symbol we are using again. Same way after 20 if suppose we want to write 21 then 20xx will be common, and then one symbol we have to use. Xx will be common for 22 and two symbol we have to use. Like that repeatedly we are using the symbol and we can write it. So for 30 we are using xxx. After that if I want to write 31, then I'll use xxx, and for 1 I we are using. So same way we can write all the numbers. For 39 it can be written as xxxix, and for 40 we are writing it as XL. Now this means that L means 50 and X is a smaller number which is to the left of L, and therefore the value should be subtracted. That is 50 minus 10, we are getting it as 40. So for 40 we are using the symbol XL. Just see some examples here. Like suppose 12. 12 can be splitted as 10 plus 2, that is x plus I plus I, that is xii. 19. 19 can be splitted as 10 plus 9, xix. 24 can be splitted as 10 plus 10 plus 4, that is x plus iv, or we can write directly it as xxiv. 27. 27 can be splitted as 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2, that is x plus v plus ii, or directly we can write it as xxvii. 29. 29 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 9, or we can write it as xxix. Hope you enjoyed this lecture and stay tuned for all the upcoming video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notification of our new videos. Thank you.